Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This compact and lightweight drone packs a punch with its impressive features and capabilities. First off, the fact that you don't need to register this drone is a game changer. It saves you time and hassle, allowing you to focus on the fun of flying. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing is also a huge plus. You can fly with confidence, knowing that the drone will detect obstacles from all directions. Extended battery life means uninterrupted flights, so you can explore vast landscapes without worrying about running out of power. And with 20 kilometers full HD video transmission, you can immerse yourself in real-time aerial footage like never before. But what I love the most about the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the customizable intelligent tracking. With Active Track 360 degrees, you can achieve seamless tracking effects with ease. Even beginners can capture smooth videos effortlessly. The DJI Mini 4 Pro comes with everything you need for a great flying experience, including a bright screen DJI RC 2 and a 34 minutes flight time battery. If I had to nitpick, I would say that the need for the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus for certain features can be a bit of a downer. But reframed positively, it ensures that you have the necessary tools for more advanced flights. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the best DJI drone overall. Its combination of features, ease of use, and customization options make it a top choice for both beginners and experienced flyers. So what are you waiting for? Check out the DJI Mini 4 Pro now. That's a wrap! We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of